Gym day. Who are you? I'm a gym bro. Let me through. Okay. What the? Huh?
Hey, boys.
Oh, my.
May I?
Of course. Enjoy the movie. Can I go too? Go ahead, big guy. I'm the best.
Look at this first.
Ugh. Please. This is how you sneak snacks in. I win.
No, I do.
Remember, winner picks the movie.
Challenge accepted.
Let's see how she sneaks candy past me. Well, bring it on.
Oh, what's that? Whee! Got an idea.
Hey, want some cotton candy?
Not like this. I want it on my head. A lot, please.
Okay. Hold still. Let's do this. Whoop, that should be enough.
Wow!
Mwah, you look fab.
Now let's dress to match the hair. Good day, sir. May I pass?
Greetings, my lady. Please, the movie's about to start.
He bought it. Now let's try it out. Yum. Okay, my turn. No one sneaks past me.
How do I sneak these hubba bubbas? Huh? What's that? Wait! I got it! First, blow up some big bubbles. Perfect! Balloons are ready. Now slap on a hat and let's roll. Can I go in? It's my birthday.
Wait a sec. That might work. Here, happy birthday!
Whoa, thanks! Aw, that's so sweet!
No prob. What was that?
Oops, balloon popped.
Ew, weird balloon. Whatever, go on.
Thanks. Let me help you.
Aw, that's nice. Thanks.
Ha, too easy. Not bad. Got it. Alright, back to guard duty. No candy's getting past me.
I know what to do. Whoop, I need your book. Take this bunny. What? Yes! Time for a little edit. There we go. Now stuff the candy in here. Done! I'm a genius! And geniuses wear glasses. Oh yeah. Hi, I'm here for the movie.
Nice outfit!
What? I'm smart.
Just a quick check. Weird. Hand me the book.
No, it's mine.
Come on.
No! Hey!
Give it!
Oops.
Let's see. Oh, what's this?
Dang it!
Young lady, you shall not pass.
Oh, seriously? Darn it! So, who's next?
What's up? Ha! Nice uniform. How do I sneak this Fanta? I'm back. Can I go in? Got nothing.
Are you sure? And this? No soda allowed.
It's fine. I'll drink it right here. Look.
Ew.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
Oh gosh, are you gonna pop?
I'm fine. Be right back. Huh, got an idea. First, cut the bottle in half. Now grab some cake. Stick half the bottle into the cake like this. Put the bottle back together. Perfect.
What's that?
Just a bottle.
All right, go on.
Cool. I mean, thanks. Ha, time for my treat. Delicious. Nice cake. Oh, I already changed outfits.
Guess it's time to learn. Let's see. Boring. I'll just use a paper clip. Hook two together. Add more. Keep going till it's a chain. Like that. Perfect. Now grab an Oreo. Put it right here. Now stick a pic of Ryan on top. Time to try it on. Oh yeah.
So, sneaking candy again?
No.
Is that a necklace with my pic? Oh, that's adorable.
I'm your biggest fan.
You may pass.
It worked. Yes! Snack time. Sorry, Ryan. I love cookies more. Yummy. Let's play.
Her tough look gave me an idea. Tie up the shirt, throw on a skirt. Let's do some makeup. Powder, lipstick, and the eyes too. Now heels on. Boom! Not bad. Whoa, walking in heels is hard. Hey!
Wait, is that a guy's shirt? Oh my gosh, that's awesome! It looks great on you!
Thanks! I grabbed my brother's shirt by accident. Can I go in?
Sure!
High five! Uh-oh.
Messy nails? Stop! Show me your purse. I think I know what's going on here.
Oops!
Go away!
No. Darn it, forgot the manicure. Alright, forbidden items are clear. Best guard on duty. Game on.
Okay, let's see who wins this. I know exactly what to do. Time to grab my backup skirt. The one I wear for grandma visits. But first, needs a glow up. Let's glue Kit Kats here, here, and here. Now make some fakes. Stuff them with tissues. Then glue them to the skirt too. Fill all the space. Remember where the real ones are. Try on time. Oh yeah. Oh, right. Guess I'll change the whole look. There. That should work. Hello.
Wait, let me check something.
Everything's okay?
Never mind. Show me your backpack. Nothing here.
Can I go now?
Not so fast. What's this?
It's not real.
Let me check. Haha! Busted!
Oh my. Open it.
Huh? What the heck? What's this?
Just a tissue. See?
Huh. Go ahead.
Thank you. always works. Now, snack time. Yummy! And that's how it's done. Ready to face the winner?
Dang it.
Oh yeah! Aw,
Congrats.
let's watch your movie.
No, you won.
It's okay.
No. Ugh. Looks like someone wants a new challenge.
Subscribe so you don't miss it. It's gonna be fire.